Jingle bells, jingle bells. All right, friends, this is Jingle Bells in the key of G. This is a simple way to chord along to this song, so I hope you have so much fun with it. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, I will have the printable chord sheet that'll be able to make a lot more sense to you as we go through it. All right, so in this key, we have G, C, D, and A minor. That's it, and there's a lot of repetition, so you can do it. All right, so let's look for a group of 3 black notes, and then G is tucked in between those. So play every other note. I'm going to move the fingers out of the way. G, B, D is our G chord. Okay, move up to the group of 2 black notes and play every other note. C, E, G. Okay, and then our D chord, move up 1 set of notes here, and then pick up your black note in the middle. D, F sharp, A. Okay, and then our A minor is tucked in by the G chord, so it goes E, F, G, and then it starts over with A in the alphabet. So A, C, E is our A minor chord. Okay, so review. We just have G chord, A minor, C, and D. And this is a triangle shape, if that helps you to kind of get this black note in the middle. Remember, it's the peak of a triangle up there. All right. Okay, so let's take a look at the left hand. We're going to be playing simple single notes in our left hand. So we're just going to be playing a G with G chord. And I'm going to just keep this pinky on G, line up my 5 fingers, keep this here the whole song. Okay, so G to G, A minor. Guess we're right next door. Let's do that A minor to A in the bass. Okay, C to C, and D to D. That's it. There's a lot of repetition, like I said. So things repeat themselves. Not only do we have 4 verses that are the same, but we also, in like lines 1 and 3, it's the same thing. G, C, G, C. And then lines 2 and 4 are very similar. A minor, D, G, A minor, D, G, and then D. Okay, so repetition helps simplify things for us. I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can see how it sounds when we add in vocals, all right? Dashing through the snow in a 1-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells. All right, here we go. All right, so let's break it down. Simple steps. If bringing 2 hands together is too complex for you, just remove the left hand and you could play the right hand by itself. So let's start out with that G chord, and we're just going to do this rhythm. I might have not introduced this to you. I forgot. So the song is written in 4/4 time signature, so I'm going to use a ratio called 1:2 ratio, and that just simply means together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, laughing all the way. Okay? All right. So you kind of see how it's just dun 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 dun, and so on. Okay? So let's break it down slower as we move through the chords. So we're starting on that G chord. Dashing through the snow in a 1-horse open C chord, sleigh. Okay, the A minor starts right here. O'er the fields we D chord, go, laughing all the G chord, way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits C chord bright. What A minor? Fun it is to D chord, ride and sing a sleighing song to G chord, night. Oh, then we kind of play that D on that O. All right, let's move into that chorus. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. C chord. Oh, what fun it, G, is to ride. Ooh, I forgot to teach you an A chord. I apologize. Okay, so you're in this A position. All you're going to do different with the A minor versus the A is play this black note in the middle. Okay, so it's A, C sharp, E. Okay, so let's play that with the A. Is a one-horse open. Okay, freeze that shape because you're going to play the D right next to it. Sleigh, hey. Okay, back to the G. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. C chord. Oh, what fun it, G, is to ride in a D chord. One horse open, G, sleigh. All right. So go back to the beginning if you need a little help with verse 1, because verse 1, 2, 3, or 4 are the exact same. Play just one hand by itself, then play both hands together if you need a little help, breaking that down. I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can jump in with me. Have a lot of fun. Here you go. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Pride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. He ran into a drifted bank, and there we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, the story I must tell. I went out on the snow, and on my back I fell. A gent was riding by in a one-horse open sleigh. He laughed at me as I there lay, but quickly drove away. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is white, go wet it while you're young. Take the girls along and sing this sleighing song. Just bet a bobtail bay, 240 as he speed. Hitch him to an open sleigh, and crack, you'll take the lead. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open